Hello guys, this is second video series on Java Swing, and in this video we'll discuss on JPanel. So in previous video we'll discuss on JFrame. So now in Java Swing, a JPanel is a box or a section inside a JFrame where you can put other item like button, label or text field. So JPanel is like a sub window inside a JFrame which help you organize your layout better. Like that means top level is a JFrame, then sub window is a JPanel, and this sub window we can add buttons, label, text field. This JPanel is used for organize your layout better. Okay, so here we discuss basic concepts like JPanel is a part of Java X Swing package. Uh, it does not have a title bar or border like JFrame, and it is mainly used to hold and arrange GUI components. Okay, so now discuss what is the difference between JPanel versus JFrame. So JFrame is its purpose of JFrame is a main window or top level container. Okay, and JPanel is a sub container or sub window. Okay, so JFrame can display title bar, menu bar, and JPanel it can't display title or menu bar. Okay, and JFrame layout, its layout can hold multiple panel. Okay, and JPanel can hold components, and one more feature is JFrame. JFrame is used for main GUI windows, and JPanel is used for organizing components. Okay, so now we discuss on how to create a JPanel. So for creating JPanel, we use JPanel class and create its object. And after creating its object, we can add components like buttons, label, text field inside a JPanel using add method. Okay, now here we create a JPanel, and in this JPanel we add two buttons, click me and hello. Okay, after creating this JPanel, we can add this JPanel into JFrame using add method. Okay, so add this JPanel into top level container, that means JFrame. Okay, so this is the methods of JPanel. Firstly, create this JPanel and then add components inside JPanel, and then add this JPanel into JFrame for creating layout, for organizing layout. So here we discuss one more method is setBound, and this method is used on every component for set the components inside a JFrame. Okay, so this is the syntax of setBound methods. We have to provide four parameters. First one is int x, second int y, int width, and int height. So what is this parameter? So here into this JFrame, if you have to add panel or buttons, text field, labels, then its exact position. We set its exact position on the JFrame. So x is the horizontal coordinate, horizontal length from left of the container. Y is the length from top of the container, and width is the component's width, and height, component's height and width. Okay, only use setBound when the layout manager is null, that is set layout null. Okay, if you are setBound on panel, then its parent frame, that means JFrame, have set layout is null. Then this setBound is affected. Okay, so now discuss with programming. So here in previous video we discuss on JFrame, and here create JFrame using JFrame class, set its layout is null, then set its size activate close button, and then JFrame is visible. Now we have to create JPanel. So we create its object. So for creating object, we use JPanel class and use its reference panel, and using new keyword, we create JPanel object. Okay, and import JPanel class using import keyword. Okay, after creating JPanel, we set it layout. So default panel set layout, and GUI layout is new flow layout. For this, our components is organized in one by one. Okay, flow layout, import this flow layout, and then set this panel inside the JFrame. So JFrame layout is null. For this reason, our set bond is affected. Okay, so for setting its position, we use set bond, this method, and in this method we have to pass four parameter: int x, int y, int width, and int height. So 50 x value, y also 50. Its panel width is 200 and its height is 100. Okay, so we can set its position of panel inside the JFrame. So when we set JFrame layout is null, then this set bond is affected. Okay, so after using set bond, we add some components inside the panel using add method. So here we create new button and add inside the panel. Okay, so button and give button name is 1, and import this button, sorry, J button. We have to import J button and one more button. For this, we copy paste and give second button name is 2. And here, firstly, we create JPanel object, then set its layout, then set its bond, and then add two buttons inside the panel, and then panel is added into JFrame. So for this frame dot add method, using this add method on frame, we add panel inside the frame. Okay, so now I run this. Okay, so this is our output. This is top level container is JFrame, and inside this JFrame one panel is added, and inside this panel two buttons are added one by one using flow layout. Okay, so in this way we use JPanel for organized layout.